Hey guys, Kyle with Mainville UTV and Outdoors. Today we're doing a giveaway uh, and we're going to do some updates on what's going on with us. So recently we had a video called Finding New Trail with the Wife, and during that video I said I would give away a knuckle shifter. This is by Original Mods Design. They sent that out to me a couple weeks back, and it turns out it doesn't work for my machine because of the way the snorkel plastics are. It wouldn't allow me to go into low gear without some plastic trimming. So I ended up doing a pistol grip shifter, again with Original Mods Design. I love what they're doing. It's really, really nice stuff. One piece aluminum, ready to go right out of the bag. But today we're going to be giving away this knuckle shifter too, and I used a commentpicker.com. It essentially just randomizes the comments, and that way we have a fair winner. And today it would seem we have Ann Hackett. So Ann Hackett, I'm pretty sure is my buddy's girlfriend or wife. So good on for you. She said, "I'm commenting, keep up the epic videos." So to you, you are getting this knuckle shifter and the original sticker from Original Mods Design. So I'll be sending that out to you. Just reach us on our Facebook group or Instagram, message me personally, Kyle Mainville on Facebook, and I'll get that out to you right away. So this is stuff that we like to do, little giveaways randomly in our videos. So for the people who are digging through all of our videos, they get a chance at seeing this stuff, and they have a crack at getting whatever it is we're giving away. So that's great. I even myself there, I've commented on some videos like Rob Farrow's, and he sent me a t-shirt. So it's nice trying to give back to you guys and also receiving. So that's really cool. So we have a super busy schedule, lots going on. We just recently finished the Johnstown ATV Club ride. They had a mud run this past Sunday, 2 days ago or so. Cass and I were up at 4:30, 4:45 in the morning. We drove down there about 2.5 hours. Had breakfast. We went down with my buddy Bobby, his buddy, Cass and I, obviously. We got to meet up with great people. Met Trevor from Dirty Life. Met Job from ATV. Ultimate Outdoors was there, and I think I missed out on Elemental, but you know, life happens. It is what it is. Plenty of days. So that was a big event. We have the teaser video being released on October 6th. That'll showcase a lot of what's going to be going down in that series. There's probably going to be, well, there's going to be several videos out of that one anyway. Cass and I ended up with about 60 to 80 gigs of raw footage, so there's going to be lots to see. That event was absolutely wild. There was everything from like mud, sand dunes, water crossings, there's drone footage. Everybody was fantastic. I couldn't ask for a better crew to ride with. Literally couldn't screw it up. Johnstown ATV Club did a fantastic job of signing everything. Tons of people. I couldn't count how many bikes were there. Tons of wild aftermarket bikes. Huge community down there, obviously, a lot like our area in Renfrew County. So to the Johnstown ATV Club, well done on that event. It was fantastic. Definitely going to be there next year, and I'm excited to see what you guys do in the spring when there's more water. After that, and I just heard about this today, we have a Toronto showcase going on with RCATV. That's the ATV club here in Renfrew County that I'm part of. If you've been watching the videos, you know that Cass and I are pretty deep into helping them out. So this showcase, I don't have too many details on it just yet. We're figuring that out right now, but that'll be later this month. We're going to be running a booth showing off RCATV and the tourism and all the attractions, and there's a possibility of even my bike being down there, from what I hear, which would be awesome. We also have tracks we're considering tracks. We're looking at that. Probably going to do that this year, so we can run right through the winter just doing some crazy stuff. I'm excited to see how that goes. Endless amounts of stuff going on. So we want to thank all of you people who have been watching us. YouTube has definitely been a lot more challenging than I thought it would be. In a good way. There's nothing wrong with that. It's not something you can do overnight. You definitely have to do your homework. Working with other people is needed. Structure, scheduling, all the background stuff that people don't see when we're traveling, doing things, or putting events together, or running maintenance on our trails. There's a lot going on. So to all the people from Cass and I who are paying attention to what we're doing, thank you for watching. Thank you for commenting. We're already at 630 or so subscribers, and we just started a couple months ago. I think that's awesome. Starting off is very difficult, and I'm more than happy with the progress that we've made so far. And having a chance to give away stuff like this is, it's good. I like it. So just recap on everything. October 6th, that's when our Johnstown ATV teaser comes out. Our schedule is every 4 days for release on a video, so you can do the math on that. We have Toronto showcase. Oh, actually, we also have a 13th ride of October, and that is an RCATV event here in Renfrew County, and that's going to be a tourism showcase, casual day ride, some food, that kind of thing. I think it's going to be awesome. I'm working on a few details for that too. That'll be our next ride. So there's like I said, there's tons to watch, man. Tons and tons. Cass and I have been putting tons of work into this. We definitely appreciate everything. Like I said, it's a lot of work, but it's so worth it. And I guess the last thing is we did some upgrades to make our videos a little bit better. We've got GoPro Hero 4s is what we've been using, and they've been fantastic, but the one thing they lack is on the GoPro 5 they started doing video stabilization. And for us ATVing, having that in front of our helmets, it's pretty bumpy ride most of the time. So just recently the GoPro 7 was released, and we pre-ordered that, and that's what I'm filming with right now. So it's quite the learning curve. This machine has tons of different features that I haven't even worked out yet. I even had to film this twice because I had aspect ratios off, and there's time lapse, there's slow-mo, it's got the hyper smooth and stabilization I was talking about. So I'm super excited to see where this camera goes. These are just investments we're putting into the video for you guys to make it a better experience. Having more cameras available, everybody's been really awesome about helping us out with sharing footage and all sorts of stuff. So yeah, not to ramble on, there's tons of stuff going on. So Ann Hackett, again, you do win this original mods design knuckle shifter, so please reach out. I'll send that to you right away, and if you are who I think you are, I could probably just drive it to you. Again, from Cass and I, thank you all for what you've been doing and participating, watching our videos. Pay attention, we have a lot going on. And the biggest thing, and I stress this, my best video to date is going to be this Johnstown ATV ride. Cass and I put together the teaser, and we want to share it so bad, but we're just sticking to the schedule. So every 4 days, you can check that out. So thank you guys. Have a good one. Pay attention for more giveaways. They're always going to be somewhere in the middle of the videos, so you guys have to find them. Awesome. So thanks again. Have a good one, guys.